Today, we're going to talk about the loans management component in SAP. Through a series of videos, I'll take you through the module's rich functionality. Loans management covers a complete loan process for both loans given and taken. One of the strongest points is the flexibility to model even the most complex of loans in a simple manner. Products can have different defaults and characteristics that allow you to match any kind of loan with ease. To show you this, I will now create a loan offer. To create a loan offer, you choose a product type. In this case, I'll choose a basic loan and a customer. Each product has its own default values and loan conditions, which you can customize over time. In this case, the basic loan has a principal repayment and an interest. Loan conditions are used to create your loan table. You can use the default conditions set for the product, or you can tailor your loan with the available conditions. You could also create new kinds of conditions to model other charges. Conditions allow you to create your loan table by setting amounts, rates, and frequencies. Interest rates can be fixed or variable, and frequencies can be weekly, monthly, yearly, or custom. Right now, I will create a loan with a fixed term of 1 year. So I will go ahead and set the corresponding dates. My loan will have a monthly principal repayment and a monthly interest of 12%. In this case, the loan will also have a fixed payment, so I will let the system calculate it for me. Loan conditions are also very easy to set. First, you set a start date. Next, you set a calculation date and a due date. Normally, these dates would be the same, but in other cases, you could calculate up to a date, but make it due on another date. I will also go ahead and set the interest rate. And once you have set the dates, the frequencies allow the system to calculate the whole table with only these conditions. So for both conditions, I will choose a monthly frequency. Last, I will let the system calculate the monthly payment for me. After the conditions are all set, we can now go ahead and see the cash flow to see our loan table. Here, we can now see our table with the monthly payments, and you can go ahead and examine each flow to see the base amount, calculation dates, and so on. I will now save my loan offer. As you can see, it's really easy to create a loan offer with the conditions that correspond to each product. In my next video, I'll continue to approve the loan offer, and I will also show you how to deal with incoming payments. Until the next time.